One of my students' dogs taught her the message of letting go, and with her due permission, I'm going to share his story with all of you. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversation with them. And in one such beautiful conversation that I had with one of my students' dog, this beautiful message of letting go came out through the health issues that the dog was facing. So, this student of mine had a dog who was consistently losing weight. Despite all the tests and all the doctor's visit, they could not really figure out what was happening. And yet, this boy was constantly losing weight. His behavior had not changed though. He was showing willingness to eat, he was physically active, but they could not figure out why he was losing weight. So, she wanted to understand his perception through a communication. Now, before I continue, I want to make it very clear that as communicators, we do not trespass into the territories of other professionals such as doctors and behaviorists. Especially in this case, while medical diagnosis was extremely important and it wasn't ignored, the human just wanted to know the animal's perception of what was happening so that she could provide better help to the animal in this regard. So when we spoke to the animal shared his insights. He said what was happening within his body, what he feels was happening that could help with the doctor's treatment as well. And then an important aspect that came out of the communication was to tell the human to learn to let go. He shared that the human feels things should be exactly how she feels they should be, and that she just is very anxious about his health right now because according to her she is doing everything right and yet the animal isn't recovering. So he wanted to bring it to the notice of the human that what he is going through is a part and parcel of his journey, and while she is an important contributor to it, she can only do so much to help him. Eventually he will have to go through these experiences himself. And after this message, soon enough, the doctors were also able to kind of figure out what was happening, and the treatments that started were helping the dog to at least put on a little bit of weight, and he was not losing weight any longer. And then the human accepted the message and she said, okay, I'm going to go for a vacation. I'm going to leave the dogs with my husband, let him take care of it and not get too stressed about what was happening. So she did so, and when she returned, the dog had actually put on weight and he was absolutely fine. And he believes that this was because of the physical effort that was put into his health as well as the energetic balance that her accepting his message and working on it brought about. So this is how animal communication can help us understand the spiritual and energetic aspects of things while also ensuring that they get the physical need they require in terms of medical treatments or behaviorist and training help in cases of behavioral and health issues. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you know something that your animal is conveying to you or the purpose that animal fulfills with you, please do mention it in the comment section below. If you like such stories and if you want to communicate yourself, there are links to my courses in the description box as well, so you could join one of them. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.